Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable dark mode with Tailwind CSS step by step clearly. To enable dark mode with Tailwind CSS, start by ensuring you have Tailwind CSS installed in your project. If you haven't already installed Tailwind, you can do so using npm by running the command in your terminal. Next, open your Tailwind configuration file, typically named tailwind.config.js. In this file, locate the dark mode property. You can set the dark mode property to one of two options, media or class. Choosing media will enable dark mode based on the user's system preferences. Setting it to class will allow you to toggle dark mode manually by adding a CSS class to your HTML. For this example, let's use the class option. So, update your tailwind.config.js to look like this, dark mode, class. Now, save your changes and ensure your Tailwind CSS builds are up to date. Next, open your main HTML file. In the HTML, add a button or toggle to switch between light and dark modes. For demonstration purposes, you might use JavaScript to handle the toggle function. Create a function that adds or removes a class to the HTML or body element. For instance, you can check if dark mode is already active and toggle it accordingly. Now, let's define some styles in your Tailwind CSS. In your CSS file, you can add dark mode specific styles using the dark prefix. For example, use BG Gray 800 for a dark background and text white for light text. Ensure you add these styles inside a dark mode class context. The final step is to test your implementation. Click the toggle button to see the transition between light and dark modes. Verify that all components respond to the dark mode styling as expected. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled dark mode using Tailwind CSS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.